Today we are going to discuss about competition and predation. These are the population interaction. Population interactions. In last class we discussed about mutualism, commensalism and parasitism. The remaining two, that is competition, predation and amensalism, are discussed here. Coming to first one is predation. Predation. What is predation? Predation is an interaction in which one partner get benefited, other one is harmed. Benefited one is predator, harm one is prey. Predator and prey. In general, predator, which one acts as a predator? Cat acts as a predator. Cat. Rat acts as a prey. Cat to rat. Cat is predator. Rat is prey. Lion or tiger is the predator. Deer is the prey. In general, size of the predator is larger than the prey. Plants and animals. Animals are predators. Plants are prey. In the ecosystem, predators maintain the stability of the ecosystem. First one is predators control the predators act as a biological control. How predators control the biological control of ecosystem means, for example, when an organism is introduced into a habitat in the absence of predators, some of the prey introduced into a habitat, the number of the prey increases. The increased prey does not stabilize the ecosystem. Why? Because they are not under the control of predator, means in the absence of predators. For example, prickly pear cactus is the prey introduced into a habitat in the absence of predators. The number of pear cactus increases rapidly in a vast area, many hectares of. Due to the absence of predators, the number of prey increases. Uncontrolled growth of the prey in that area. When we introduced into cactus feeding predators to control the growth of the pear cactus. That is about biological control. Biological control by predators. Predators maintain the biological control of ecosystem. That is one example. Prickly pear cactus introduced into an area. Number of pear cactus increases rapidly. And coming to second one, biological control. Then biological control. Second one is predators maintain the species diversity. Species diversity. Predators also maintain the species diversity. For example, this is an area in which more starfishes are present. Starfish. Physaster is the scientific name. Starfishes which maintain the aquatic ecosystem in the area. Here there are different types of invertebrates, species. Different types of invertebrate species. Whenever the starfishes are removed experimentally, among these species, more than 10 types of species were died. Why? Because they undergo, due to the absence of predator, that is a starfish, remaining invertebrates undergo competition. The type of competition is called intraspecific competition. Intraspecific competition for what? Food and shelter. For this competition, more than 10 types of species were died. That is about species diversity. So predators also maintain the species diversity. And coming to next point, predators are prudent. Prudent means active. Prudence. If the prey number increases, they cannot maintain the stability of the ecosystem. If the predator number increases, the shortage of prey. For example, the predator eat the prey completely. Predators eat the prey incompletely, and further predators also die. Why? Because absence of food. That's why predators cannot eat prey completely. That phenomena is called prudent. Prudent means active. That is about predators. And preys also form the adaptations for the survival. That means protect from their enemies. Preys. What are the adaptations of preys? First one is preys exhibit mimicry, or some of the preys exhibit camouflage or coloration. For what? Protect from their enemies. Example: frogs and insects. Frogs and insects exhibit camouflage or coloration to protect from their enemies. That is one type of adaptation. Second one, some of the preys are distastable for their predators. The example for this, monarch butterfly, in which poisonous glands are present. During the development of monarch butterfly, in the larval stage, that is caterpillar larva, caterpillar larva, they feed on poisonous weeds. The poison is present in the adult. Due to the presence of poison, monarch butterflies are distastable. Their enemies are birds. Birds does not eat the monarch butterfly. Why? Because they are distastable. Why? Because presence of poisonous inside the body. That is one type of adaptation, distastable. And third one is plants. Plants also have some adaptations to protect from their enemies. What are the predators for plants? Herbivores. And some of the animals are commonly called as herbaceous. Herbaceous means the animals which depends upon the plant sap, and parts of the plant. Those animals are called herbaceous animals. To protect from the enemies, plants also form the adaptations. One of the adaptation in plants is thorns. Example for thorns: acacia. Acacia contains thorns. Why? Because protect from the enemies. Acacia. And the next one is cactus. Acacia and cactus contain thorns. And next example, some of the plants contain cardiac glycosidase. It is a poison in their body. Best example, Calotrophes contain cardiac glycosidase. Due to the presence of cardiac glycosidases in Calotrophes, any animal does not eat the Calotrophes. Calotrophes is not eaten by any other animal. Why? Because presence of cardiac glycosidase, that is a poison in Calotrophes. These are some of the adaptations. And some of the plants also contain protective substances. They are known as caffeine. Coffee or caffeine. And next one, caffeine. And poisonous substances like caffeine, opium, they are also protective structures. So these are the adaptations about clay. Commonplace, distastable. Plants also contain some of the adaptations. That is about predation. Predation is an interaction in which one is benefited, other one is harmed. Benefited one is called prey, other one is predator. In the case of plants, they does not move from one place to another place. Hence, they contain poisonous or thorns, etc. adaptations in their bodies. And coming to next next interaction is competition. What is competition? Competition is an interaction in which both the partners get harmed. Why organisms undergo competition? In general, organisms move from one place to another place in search of food and shelter, and also escape from their enemies. First one is competition among unrelated species. Competition among unrelated species. In general, related species undergo competition for food and shelter, and also reproduction. And some of the species undergo competition, unrelated species undergo competition for what? Food and shelter, not for reproduction. This type of competition or struggle is called interspecific competition. For example, this is the Galapagos Island. In Galapagos, in a place in which there are two types of flamingos and residence fishes. Flamingos and residence fishes undergo competition for food and shelter. The food is zooplankton. Zooplankton is the food material. For that, fishes and flamingos and fishes, they are unrelated. These organisms undergo competition for what? Same feeding habit. Zooplankton present on the surface of the water. For zooplanktons, these two types of unrelated species undergo competition. That is competition among unrelated species. And second one is competitive competitive exclusion. Competitive exclusion. Competitive exclusion is explained by Gauss principle. Gauss principle. Gauss principle states that the two closely related species undergo competition in which superior species excludes the inferior species. Superior species excludes the inferior species. Competitive exclusion states that competition between two closely related species undergo competition in which superior species excludes the inferior species. This is Galapagos Island, in which tortoise, Galapagos Islands, in which tortoise are present. These are herbivores, grass-eating herbivores, herbivorous tortoise. Whenever the goats enter into this island, within a decade, tortoise are eliminated. In this association or a competitive exclusion, here goats are superior species, tortoise are inferior species. The competition, they undergo competition for what? Grass. These are herbivorous animals. So competitive exclusion states that two closely related species undergo competition in which superior species excludes the inferior one. Superior species excludes the inferior one. That is called competitive exclusion. This principle was explained by Gauss principle. Competitive exclusion, Gauss principle. And second one is competitive release. Competitive release. Competitive exclusion states that, or Gauss principle states that two closely related species undergo competition in which one is eliminated, inferior one is eliminated. First one is competitive exclusion, and second one competitive release. This is Gauss principle. This is Cannell's experiment. Competitive release explained by Cannell's experiment. Cannell conducted experiments in which, in an area, this is an area in which there are two types of species. One is two types of barnacles. What are the two types of barnacles? Cathamalus. It is inferior species. And second one is Belanus. They are commonly called as barnacles. There are two types of barnacles, Belanus and Cathamalus. Cathamalus is the inferior species. Belanus is the superior species. These two species undergo competition in which inferior one, this is Cathamalus, is withdrawn from the competition. This competition is called competitive release. Competitive release states that two closely related organisms undergo competition in which inferior one is withdrawn from the competition. And third one is coexistence. Coexistence rather than competition. Competitive exclusion. Coexistence rather than competitive exclusion. Coexistence is explained by MacArthur. According to Gauss principle states that two closely related species undergo competition in which superior one excludes the inferior one. According to MacArthur, coexistence rather than coexistence rather than competitive exclusion. Like Edgar states that there are 5 types of birds, warbler birds. There are 5 types of warbler birds living in a tree. 5 types of birds living in a 5 types of birds living in a same tree. 5 types of birds living in the same tree. They does not undergo competitive exclusion. They exhibit competitive exclusion. Why? Because these 5 types of birds have different feeding habits. This is about competitive coexistence rather than competitive exclusion. Competitive exclusion explained by Gauss principle. Competitive release, Cannell's field experiment, Belanus, Cathamalus. Coexistence rather than competitive exclusion, MacArthur. According to MacArthur, there are 5 types of birds living in a same tree. They exhibit coexistence. And final, competition states that in which competition states that it is an interaction in which both the partners harm. Competitive exclusion in which superior one excludes the inferior one. That is about competition. And last one is amensalism. Amensalism is an interaction in which one partner get harm, other one is neither benefited nor harm. That is about amensalism.